In the jungle deep and wide, Tusker the elephant with stripes by his side. Though different in shape and in might, together they roam day and night. As drought gripped the land with its fiery breath, Tusker searched for water, facing a daunting death. Stripe, with a secret, approached him one day, offering help to find water, come what may. Through thickets and thorns they venture forth, two friends united from south to north. Finally they found a spring hidden and clear, a treasure they discovered, banishing all fear. Drinking deep from the water so cool and pure, Tusker felt gratitude, his heart sure. Stripe friendship revealed in the jungle's expanse. Their bond grew stronger in every single glance. From that day forward they patrolled as one, elephant and tiger beneath the bright sun, protecting their home with courage and might.